Sermon number 31. Before the commencement of the Battle of Jamal, he sent Abdullah ibn Abbas to Zubair ibn Awam to advise him back to obedience. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Do not meet Talha. If you meet him you will find him like an unruly bull whose horns are turned towards its ears. He rides a ferocious riding beast and says it had been tamed. But you meet Zubair because he is soft-tempered. Tell him that your maternal cousin says that, it looks as if, in the Hijaz you knew me, accepted me, but, on coming here to Iraq you do not know me, do not accept me. So, what has dissuaded you from what was shown by you previously?